All right, guys, 2011 Ford Raptor. Ran into issues with the hubs just automatically trying to engage when I was driving. It's making a grinding noise in the front end. Couldn't figure it out. Thought it was my brakes, thought it was my rotors, thought my CV axles were going bad. Ended up being a hydraulic system called the IWE that runs with vacuum off the brake booster. Basically, the brake booster runs a line here to this vacuum device, which what happens is after it rains, rain comes off the front cowl, drips down. As you can see, it's coming down through here, splashing off of here, and of course going in under this vacuum cap right here. So this was the first issue, was replacing this piece, which I've already ordered. Got it here. Next piece was the vacuum line that connects to your front hubs. So those connect under here. These are the lines I just replaced. Brand new, they're like 40 bucks from Ford. Don't try to do the silicone route. You're gonna end up spending more in silicone. Yeah, in a couple years I'll probably have to do these again because they're probably gonna dry rot again. This is the same, you have to route it. Route it up through. What I did is I left the original right beside it so I could trace the lines. And then as I brought the new line down where all the holes were, I would snip the old line because I was going to use it anyway. But that's how I could trace it, make sure all the holes and all the little plastic grommets would hook up in the right places. So replace that. Like I said, the truck's it's a 2011. It's 9 years old, and then like I said, already the vacuum lines got dry rotted. So trace those, replace your vacuum device. For this vacuum device here, like I said, that gets water in it and ruins it, so I'm replacing that. And what I mean by dry rot, so here's all the lines. I basically, as I was pulling them, they just snapped in half. And as you can see I can just, I mean, look at that. It just breaks in half. I don't know why. Some of the things I don't understand what Ford does. Why didn't they make these in silicone? But anyway, keep buying more parts. All right, thanks guys, appreciate it. Hope this helps somebody out.